Link building is an important part of search engine optimization, SEO. It is the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. Link building helps search engines like Google and Bing identify your website and its content as valuable, authoritative, and trustworthy. This in turn helps improve the website's rankings in the search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of link building is to acquire as many high-quality and relevant links to your website as possible. This means that you should focus on getting links from other websites that are related to yours and have high authority. These can include industry-leading blogs, news sites, directories, and social media websites. You should also focus on earning links naturally, such as through content promotion, guest blogging, and social media outreach. It is important to remember that link building is an ongoing process. You should continuously work to acquire new links, as well as to maintain the ones you already have. This helps ensure that your website always has a large number of high-quality links, which helps increase its visibility in the SERPs. Additionally, you should always monitor the links pointing to your website to ensure that they are of good quality and that they are not damaging your website's reputation. Examples: 1. A plumbing website wants to boost its SEO and decides to focus on link building. They reach out to a popular home improvement blog and ask if they can write a guest post about common plumbing issues. The blog agrees and includes a link to the plumbing website in the author's bio. This helps the plumbing website gain a high-quality link from a relevant and authoritative source. Example 2. An online shoe retailer wants to improve their rankings on Google for specific keywords related to their products. They identify a few popular fashion bloggers who frequently write about shoes and offer to send them free samples to review. In return, the blogger includes a link to the shoe retailer's website in their review post. This helps the online retailer acquire high-quality links from relevant sources and increase their visibility in the SERPs. Example 3. A software company releases a new product and wants to promote it on social media. They create a social media campaign that includes sharing informative blog posts and engaging with other industry professionals. As a result, they gain several mentions and links from other businesses in the same field. This helps the software company earn links naturally and gain more visibility in the SERPs.